Websites not ranking. Fix it with internal linking SEO. Hello folks, today I'll be discussing the importance of proper internal linking and how to create internal links that will help you rank better. So let's dive in. Internal links, the unsung heroes of SEO. You might be surprised to hear this, but internal links are just as powerful as those external links you hustle to get. Imagine your website as a city. External links are the highway bringing people in, while internal links are the well-planned streets that guide them all to the best spots. A city with only highway and no connecting roads wouldn't function well, would it? Optimizing internal links might not be as flashy as chasing backlinks, but it's a crucial part of building a truly successful website. But how do these internal links affect your website? Let's see. They help users explore the website more thoroughly. Your website's top navigation menu is essential for providing initial directions. However, to truly encourage users to delve deeper into your content, strategically placed internal links within your pages are the key. Well-placed links act like signposts, guiding visitors to related topics, increasing the time they spend on your site and improving valuable metrics like views per session. Think of it this way: when a user finds your site through a search results, internal link creates a pathway to discover more of what you offer. This reduces your reliance on constantly attracting new traffic through SEO alone. Your goal shouldn't just be to get visitors, but to keep them engaging. Internal link is a powerful tool to help you achieve this, continuously boosting your website traffic. Assist search engines in indexing pages efficiently. Internal links act like roadmap for search engines, helping them discover and understand the structure of your website. When you link strategically between pages, search engine crawlers like Googlebot can follow those connections. This ensures all your important pages get indexed, making them discoverable in search results. It's important to note that search engine prioritizes crawling all links on a page by default. To manage this behavior, the nofollow attribute was introduced, so you can signal to crawler which link can be ignored. However, remember that even with the strategic use of nofollow, internal linking remains a powerful tool. By linking to a specific page, you signal to search engine that it deserves attention, similar to the way external backlinks demonstrate a page importance. Distribute PageRank across the website, boosting your key pages. Internal links help spread authority throughout your website. Think of it like this: your homepage typically has the highest page rank, which of course Google doesn't show, but for discussion purpose and for obviously PageRank does exist but doesn't update on the Google toolbar. So think of this: your homepage typically has the highest page rank by getting the most backlinks and traffic. It's like the popular kid in the school, but if you don't strategically link from your homepage to other important page, all that popularity stays concentrated. By creating thoughtful internal links, you share some of that homepage authority with your services, products and category pages. This acts like a spotlight, making those pages more visible to search engines. Imagine your website as a network with internal links. You strengthen the connections, giving even your less prominent pages a chance to shine in search results. These three reasons clearly show why internal links are a game changer for your website success. Don't underestimate their power. Now let's see, when you start making your internal link structure, what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Internal linking is a powerful tool for improving your website navigation and SEO performance. Today I'll share an internal linking checklist that focuses on effective strategies and also common pitfalls to avoid. Strategies for effective internal linking. Number 1, volume of internal links. Include 2-3 internal links on each page of your website. This creates pathway for both users and search engines to follow, improving user experience and boosting your website visibility. Number 2, link relevance. Just like external links, internal links should be highly relevant. If you are discussing a specific service, link to related page like its information page, category or testimonial. And very, very important, avoid linking to unrelated topic, as this confuses both users and search engines. Number 3, anchor text optimization. Choose descriptive anchor text for your internal links. While words like click here are unhelpful, instead use keywords that accurately reflect the content of the linked page. This helps users decide whether to click and inform search engines about the link page topics as well. Number 4, URL structure consistency. Maintain a consistent URL structure throughout your website, avoiding linking to multiple variations of the same page, example with or without www. This prevents confusion for search engines and improves your website organization. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Generic anchor text. Don't use vague phrases like click here or read more for internal link. Instead, use descriptive keyword that tells users and search engines exactly what the linking page is about. This improves user experience and helps your website rankings. Number 2. Overlooking to contact us page. Avoid excessive linking to your contact us page from every service page. Guide users with more informative links to relative service details and provide a clear contact us option separately in your main navigation. This helps users find the information they need and reduce unnecessary redirections or clicks. Number 3. Creating orphan pages. Every page on your website should have at least 2 to 3 internal links pointing to it. Avoid orphan page that search engines may struggle to find. A well-connected website is better for both users and search engine crawlers. Number 4. Linking from heading. Place your internal links within the main body of your content, not in the heading H1, H2, etc. Headings provide structure to your page and links within them can disrupt the flow. Keep linking within your content for better readability and improved SEO. Actionable steps. Conduct an audit. Start by analyzing your website's existing internal linking structure. Tools like Screaming Frog or Hrefs can help identify pages with weak internal linkings or few or no links. Develop a strategy. Aim for 2-3 relevant internal links per page. Choose anchor text that accurately reflects the link page content, providing value for both users and search engines. Address URL inconsistencies. Ensure you are using a consistent URL structure throughout your website. Example, always HTTPS and either www or non-www. Choose your preferred version and redirect others to avoid duplicate content issues. Optimize your anchor text. Ditch generic click here phrases. Use descriptive keywords that inform both users and search engines about the link page. Monitor and refine. Use Google Search Console to track how your internal links are performing. Analyze which link leads to increasing traffic and engagement, then adjust your strategy accordingly for continuous improvement. Remember, a well-executed internal linking strategy is essential for a healthy website. By carefully auditing your website and implementing the tips discussed, you will improve search engine rankings. Help search engines understand your website structure and boost the relevancy of your page. User experience. Guide visitors to explore more of your website, increasing the chances of engagement and conversions. Overall website goals. Whether it's to increase page views, lead generation, branding, or more, strong internal linking supports them all. Focus not just on acquiring new traffic, but also engaging the visitors you already have. A well-connected websites keep users interested, turning them into a loyal customers. And if you are looking to build more external backlinks, I will recommend this video, which you can see on your screen right now, on how to do competitor backlink analysis to rank number 1 on Google. Until next time, cheers.